Deep tissue massage, relief that goes beneath the surface. Hi, I am Lex from West Henday Physiotherapy. If you have been struggling with chronic tension, muscle knots, or stiffness from your daily routine or workouts, deep tissue massage could be the answer. I use slow, focused strokes that target deeper muscle layers and connective tissue. It's not just about the pressure, it's about precision. The goal, long-lasting pain relief and improved mobility. Always hydrate well after a deep tissue session. It helps flush out toxins released during the massage. Is deep tissue massage painful? It may feel intense at times, but I always adjust the pressure to your comfort. How often should I get a deep tissue massage? For chronic pain, once every 2 to 3 weeks works great. We'll customize it for you.